101.1 Smartfm, the spirit of Indonesia. Yeah, we are back here with BPEC. Hi guys.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Fine.
Yeah, fine.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, as I usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m. we have a special program, namely Smart Up Your Life discussion with BPEC. Wow, BPEC.
Wow, black and blazing.
Wow, giving applause first for us. Okay, guys, welcome to our second home in Smart FM, of course, and you guys from BPEC, me too. Okay, but anyway, welcome for the newcomer here,
Yes.
special on Radio Smart FM, Fauzan, and you guys, the newest.
Yes.
Fauzan is the new, but you guys are the newest.
Yes.
Oh my God. Okay, but before we are going to talk about our special topic tonight, every week per week, we have a special topic and very interesting topic. And guys, as I mentioned just now that before we are going to talk about our special topic, I would like to invite you to introduce yourself, guys, and introduce what is BPC itself. Start from you, your name, please.
Okay, my name is Ahmad Fauzan Suardi, and what is BPEC? BPEC is Benteng Panua English Club. Is the English community that since 1986
Wow.
that we are running this community so long, and there's a lot of participant in here. Since for long ago.
Okay, Fauzan.
Yes.
Welcome to Smart FM. Is this your first time?
Yes.
Wow,
Yes.
great. Okay, next. Who is your name, Mister? your face is not familiar.
Okay, smart listener. My name is Rian.
Hi, Rian.
So I'm from Satria University, and I graduated for 2016.
16.
Yes.
Wow,
Yeah.
it's oh my God. Okay, how many years already? I guess 6. No, 8.
Yeah,
8
8
years
years.
already.
Yeah.
Anyway, could you make addition about BPEC itself?
Okay.
What is BPEC itself?
BPC is community. English community is located for Rotterdam.
Yeah.
And start from 10 a.m. until 2 a.m. And
10 a.m. until 2 p.m.
p.m. Yes.
Yeah,
2 p.m.
correct.
And in BBC there are many items that we have
Conduct.
Yeah. We have to conduct. And the first is who am I?
Why am I? What
Yeah.
is the second?
The second is ice breaking.
The third?
The third is discussion and debating.
Yes, next.
And the fourth is building skill.
Next.
The next is entertainment.
And
And the last is announcement.
wow, such as complete
Yes.
items. My
Yes.
God. Thank you, Brian, for the
Okay.
information for the smart viewers and listeners at home. Hi.
Hi.
Okay, could you introduce yourself, please?
Yes.
Start from you.
Of course. Okay, thank you. So my name is Ika Isra Ayu. Okay, guys. Actually, you can call me Ayu.
Where are you
Yes.
from?
I'm from Goa.
Goa.
Yes.
What is university? What is your university from?
UN.
UIN.
Yes.
What semester?
A 3.
Sorry?
In the 3 semester.
Third.
Yes.
Third semester.
Yes.
Okay, Ayu.
Yes.
Okay, what about you? Who is your name?
Okay, thank you, Kak. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nanda Hidayat, and you can call me Nanda.
Hi, Nanda.
Hi, Kak.
Good evening.
I'm from Alauddin State Islamic University too.
Okay, same.
And I'm the newest participant in BPEC.
Okay, good. Anyway, you guys are the newest, right?
Yes.
Okay. Could you tell me or tell the smart viewers and listeners at home, why do you want to join in BPEC? Okay, start from you.
Okay, because in BPEC, I think I can and we can improve our English skill in here, and we also can do a social activity
Yeah.
in BPEC, and I think it is the very gorgeous.
Oh, wow, Georges.
Yes.
And the most important, of course, you have a place that you can train your skill to add your skill to add your friends,
Yes.
right? Correct, Nanda?
Yes.
Okay, what about you, Ayu? Why do you want to join in BPEC?
Okay, I wanna join BPEC because you know, BPEC have some program. It's like a English course,
Yeah.
and the place in you know, perpustakaan wilayah, and I was join that, and
okay.
I want to know who is the you know who is the behind the best teacher, Kak Yusril, you know. I actually I have some inspiration. Kak Yusril have inspired me about English. So actually I wanna join. Where is the Kak Yusril join is? So actually Kak Yusril joined in BPC. That's why I wanna join because Kak Yusril actually literally have inspired me.
Okay.
Yes.
You know him before?
No, I know him in English course.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, but before we are going to continue, could you guys give clap hand for us? Okay. No, I know your reason to join because actually I not recognize you guys because you are the newest. So if Fauzan is the new, you are guys the newest. Okay, anyway, our topic tonight is, but before I mention, I want to give an opening teaching. Talking about nowadays, this era, global warming, of course, it's a massive, it's happened, totally happened in worldwide. And of course, global warming have an impact on our planet. And this is a very worrying for human being, of course, for the future, and now until for the futures. And of course, when we talk about global warming, one of the impact of global warming is climate change, or in bahasa perubahan cuaca. So, and now it's the rainy season, guys. Welcome to rainy season. I want to ask, but before I want to ask you guys, we will be right back after this. Stay tuned on Smartfm 101.1, the spirit of Indonesia. Stay tuned.